All right, day 3 fishing. I'm gonna go right around you to the left. I want to try different baits, but at the same time I just want to keep catching a bunch of fish. There's a fish. Oh, that was big. Dude, I just lost a big fish. It broke my line on the hook set. Yeah. I set the hook, it fought for a second and it popped. Yeah, like that might be like a 6-pounder, 7-pounder. This is 15-pound fluoro and it literally popped on the hook set. There's one. Small. Little guy. Let's see, is he the one that broke me off though? No. He doesn't have another hook in him. So there's at least one more fish over here. First one of the day though. He's freaking feisty, dude. Chill. Little guy. You like it? He likes it. Slim shake worm. Coming in clutch. Caught the only fish today. Hopefully that changes though. You catch any more? Nice. Out fishing me. Oh, missed one. Right there. Come on, eat again. Relax, buddy. I'll launch this guy. Little guy. Number 2 for me. 4 total. Got me all muddy. Just risked my life getting eaten by a freaking alligator. Not this way. That was only my second one. That one, little guy. The first one was a little bit bigger, but not really. I guess you were there. Go for it. I might switch to a chatterbait because the bite just seems slower today. So I might try and speed it up.
Do you have any crawfish?
Dude, I am. What is wrong with this?
That's the smallest bass I've ever seen in my life.
I'm just catching dinks today.
Like choked?
I do have some craws, yeah. This one's even smaller than the last one.
That's like.
Dude, that was a perfect dive though.
That's like.
I mean.
Is that the one I caught?
Dude, I wasn't freaking recording, but I just caught another one. He doesn't have any hook marks.
No?
But he's...
Hey, that looks just like the one I caught.
I wasn't filming that one. Oh well, who cares?
I had to tighten my drag so much.
Oh yeah. Alright, well I missed the hook set and the fight on this guy, but here's number 4. Perfect. They're definitely turning on though, because I caught one like the whole time and I just caught like 3 in a row.
Oh.
Got one? Nice. First cast back on the Senko. What is this, number 3?
Oh my god, he's going crazy.
Oh, that's a good one. Do you want me to grab him?
Yeah, I can.
Okay. Here, just keep bringing him over here. Stop splashing, buddy. You can probably flip him here. Oh no! I am so sorry. I am such an idiot. That was dumb. I'm sorry, dude.
Hey, that was a good one though. That still counts.
That counts as a fish. That was probably like a 2-pounder. I'm sorry though. That was so stupid, dude. Oh, I'm an idiot. Forgot that that's a 6-pound line.
Yeah, bigger line.
Well, that was cool.
Yeah. Just, I don't care.
At least I got that on video so I can laugh at myself.
Oh, he's got hit.
Oh, you got him. Nice.
Oh my god, this feels like pretty good.
It does? Oh, nice.
Please don't break off.
Here, bring him. Try and land him down here where it's closer to the water, maybe. No way. You're trying to keep. Bring him up, but don't lift him out. Oh, that's a decent one. Oh. Yeah. I thought you caught 2 over there.
I got 1 and I got what, like a bite.
Oh, sweet. So we got what, 6 on the day? That's not too bad. Yeah, I think we're at 6 right now. I've got 4, but 2 of them were tiny. Little tiny ones. Yeah.
Still sketchy looking them right here.
That one feels better. Is it? No, he just didn't come up. I think he was swimming away from me when I set the hook because it felt heavy, but yeah, I'll keep him in the water for a second.
If you want me to grab him.
No, I can flip him, I think. Oh, he just swam under. This goes under. There we go. He's long. Maybe that's why he felt heavier. Heck yeah. Number 5. Gotta get the release for the snap. All right, see if we can get a couple more before it gets too dark. Got one? Oh, nice. We can do this. We only need a couple more. Well, there's number 8 for both of us combined. Perfect.
I'll try and get it out, pulling him down.
There's one. Man, I really had to catch up to him. I had a lot of slack out. It's not huge, but fish. He's swimming over to the right now. Come on, buddy, come back in. There he is. Is he big? No. Not tiny though.
Was that number 9?
Heck yeah. Number 6 for me, number 9 total. All right, I have no idea if the camera can pick this up or not, but number 6. There we go. Number 6. See you later, buddy. Perfect. I have a genius idea.
Oh, no, it's a big hit. Oh.
Get him. Yes! That's number 10.
No.
Is he off?
Yeah.
Oh. I wasn't filming that. I'm an idiot, but yeah, I wasn't recording that, but I just caught another one and he got another one at the same time. So we doubled up on number 10 and 11. I think it was my 7th and his 4th or 5th. 4th. So yeah, 11. I can't believe I wasn't filming that. I don't really care though, because we caught a lot of fish. I'm like straight that way towards the house. I got one. There we go. He's not very big.
Hey, that's the one. How are you just flipping that, right?
I have a heavier rod and I think heavier
No, I'm getting tapped.
line. I kind of forgot how many we've caught. I think I'm at 8, so this is 9. Number 9. Little guy. All right, see you later, dude.
So I've caught 5.
Yeah, I've got 9. So 14?
Yeah.
Sick. I really keep forgetting to push the freaking record button. I don't know why. Like, I missed 2 whole fish because I didn't push record. Oh, geez, that thing just came to smoke me. I almost pulled the rod from my hand while I was in the middle of talking. Little guy.
Yeah, this is like loose right here. I can't.
Number 10.
Huh?
So number 10, which is 15. That might be one of the smaller ones though. Okay, bye dude.
Nice.
Did I just break off?
It's so dark I can't see.
Oh no, I didn't break off. I just missed the fish. I want to catch, you probably will because I just missed one. You took my Senko off.
Where did it go? What?
There's one.
Let's go.
Number 12 or 11? I don't remember. I think it might have been number 12 because I said 10 and then I cut another one.
Oh, that's...
I think this is number 12 for me, so 17 total. We might hit 20.
You have to hit 20?
Another one. We might.
Go in the honey hole real quick. Just one.
There we go.
Yes. Oh, what? Oh.
Getting a bit. You getting bit? Oh yeah. Jeez, we are on fire.
Like off my bag.
Right at the light. Yes, you got him.
I hate doing that. I'm still like...
Number 6. So 18. Dang, we might hit 20.
Hey, so we're at 18 right now. Is due like we're getting them like every single cast. So can you wait like maybe like 10 more minutes and then come like start driving? Can you wait like 10 more minutes?
I think I'll just start heading back. I think Presley said he was leaving right now.
Where is he going?
To come pick us up. Here, we'll just start heading back. All right, well, that's all she wrote. Another one. That one's big. That one is big. Oh, it's a turtle. Oh my god, it's a turtle. I'm gonna cut it off. It broke my rod, dude. My rod's broken, so.